Butho lamajoni wenarha aqinisekise ukuthi athumela amajoni endaweni ezihagelele eMguruguru eGauteng naKwaZulu-Natal ukuyokusiza amaziko omthetho ukuqalana nemchagalo ekhambisana neMguruguru ethomekele izimfunda. Isibalo samajoni ayokuthunyelwa sizokuya ngemphumela wephenyo lokuqalana nobujamo. Umnqopho wamajoni wenarha kuqinisekisa ukuthi asebenza ngaphasi kwevikeleko amapholisa wenarha namanye amaziko wezomthetho ukwenza umsebenzi wayo.
eGauteng kubiko ukubhubha komuntu ngesikhathi amapholisa nakararana nabachagali bona kuthoma amajima ukuzitapela entolo eFosloras ePumalanga eJohannesburg. Kubizwa abodokotela abasebenza ngendumbu ukuthi bazoqinisekisa bona mbala ababhubhile. Nanyana kunjalo abantu bebasaraga nokuzitapela. Abanikazi bentolo basathukiwe.
It's just chaos. It's just so heartbreaking to actually see what, and I've got no words to say. Oh, and of course, let everyone know what's happened. And I've been for 50 years here in Vosloorus, and I've never witnessed something like this.
Bebsachubile endaweni zeJohannesburg njengoma nesaragela phambili nje imichagalo kezinye ingcenye zedrobha. Indlela zivalwe tsi akudluleki. Indawo ekubikwa bona zithintekile kubalwa iMelvin, iJeppstown, iDenver, iWynberg nezinye intrata ezisekabeni edrobha. Amapholisa adumuze abachagali ebebela intolo zeJabulane Mall eSoweto ngenkule zeraba.
KwaZulu-Natal isakhamuzi sePietermaritzburg esisilingekileko sithi amajima okuchagala ngenelweko nokwetshiwa kwempahla akusinde efanele itshengiswe idemokhrasi yenarha. Abachagali bashisa isithabathaba esikhulu sentolo bashisa enye ikampani yakhelene neGrache Petroli. Idorobha lePietermaritzburg ligubuzeswe intuthu enzima, abantu bayalila.
Bread and butter gone for what? For this. This is what we have to offer. For one man, for corruption, it's at its lowest. Imagine what the international market thinks of us.
We're very concerned, especially at how many people are going to lose jobs because of this. That's the saddest part.
Kwamashu abantu bagcine sebeba namabhoksi wemingcwabo emochara. Bachise istage sakwamashu kunye nemabhizinisi wendawo le. Omunye umnikazi wemochara uthi babuthe konke emochara yakhe.
Sinama offices awu2 elidala elisha ngala kuthathwe amabhokisa kwathathwa computer kwathatha everything ngicabanga into esele mhlawumbe usofa kuphela lo okade ungeke ukwazi ukuphuma eminyango ngenxa yokuthi vele wakhelwa ngaphakathi eminyango.
Eshowe amapholisa asebenze nzima alinga ukulawula ubujamo njengomana abantu baragela phambili nokuzitapela ubusuku bonke entolo nenthabathabeni zentolo. Kuphathwe nentolo ezikwaMashu Station Shopping Center. Kunembiko evela emphakathini ezwa ngobatsho yokuhlanganyela kwamapholisa nalabo abazitapelako entolo nabachagali eThekwini.
Nakusenjalo amapholisa wenarha athi sekubhubha abantu abasithandathu solo kuthome amajima okuchagala eGauteng naKwaZulu-Natal. Amapholisa athi indumbu zabantu abane zifunyenwe eGauteng, zimbili zinamanceba okudunyuzwa kanti kubulewe nogadi. Kanti indumbu zabantu ezikuzwakala bonyana zitholakala eAlexander, eJeppstown, eDobsonville neJermiston eGauteng. Begodu kuzwakala bona kunabanye kodwa abantu ababhubhileko eNanda neMbilo esifundeni saKwaZulu-Natal.
Nakusenjalo amanye amatraka asebenzele eGauteng ukusuka emkhawulweni iBeitbridge abhalelwa kusuka ePolokwane ngonobangela wemiguruguru epheruke eGauteng efaka hlangana nokutshelwa kwentolo. Abatshayeli bamatraka la batshela indaba zeSABC ukuthi bazokuje bajamile ukufikela la emchagalo leyithula khona.
We have been traveling from the Beitbridge border post. When we got here, they informed us there are violence taking place in Joburg, and in the fear of that, we were asked to stop here.
We heard that there's violence there, so we are a bit concerned here because we are staying here. We have parked here because we fear of that violence.
I'm just waiting until the situation is settled. So we are looking for the South African government to be involved to silence the violence.
Abatshayeli bamatraka babathi urhulumende akube nento ayenzako kwakhathesi imichagalo iyaraga.